Rules and regulations. The official rules and regulations of basketball are standardized by various governing bodies like the NBA, FIBA or International Basketball Federation, and the NCAA. Below is a comprehensive overview of these rules and regulations, including citations. Game structure. Teams. Each team has 5 players on the court and multiple substitutes. Substitutions are allowed during stoppages. Game duration. NBA 4 quarters of 12 minutes each. FIBA 4 quarters and 10 minutes each. NCAA Men's 2 halves of 20 minutes each. NCAA Women's 4 quarters of 10 minutes each. When overtime periods last 5 minutes until a winner is determined. Scoring. Field goals. 2 points for shots inside the 3-point arc. 3 points for shots beyond the arc. Free throws. 1 point each successful free. Starting play. The game begins with a jump ball at the center court. The referee tosses the ball between 2 players to start the game. Dribbling, passing, and ball handling. Dribbling. Players must bounce the ball while moving. They can pick up the ball and start dribbling again, which would be a double dribble violation. Traveling. Players cannot take more than 2 steps without dribbling. And passing. The ball can be moved through passing, which is crucial in setting up plays. Shooting and fouls. Shooting. Players can attempt field goals from anywhere on the court. Personal fouls include illegal physical contact like hitting, holding, pushing, or blocking. Shooting fouls occur when a defender illegally contacts a shooter. This results in free throws that have 2 shots inside the arc, 3 if fouled during the 3-point attempt. Technical fouls. These include unsportsmanlike conduct, disrespecting officials, or bench violations. Next, violations. Traveling, moving with the ball without dribbling, double dribble, starting and stopping a dribble multiple times, backcourt violations. Once a ball crosses midcourt, it cannot return to the backcourt. Shot clock violations. Team must attempt a shot within 24 seconds for NBA, FIBA 24 seconds, and 30 seconds for NCAA. Time-related rules. 8-second rule. Teams must advance the ball past half court within 8 seconds. NBA and FIBA rules. 5-second rule. A closely guarded player cannot hold the ball for more than 5 seconds. 3-second rule. Offensive player cannot stay in the point for more than 3 seconds. 8. Substitution. Coaches can substitute player during dead ball situation, including fouls and timeouts. Timeouts. Timeouts are used to discuss strategy and rest players. The number and length of timeouts vary by league. NBA teams have 7 timeouts, each lasting 75 seconds. FIBA, 2 timeouts in the first half and 3 in the second half. Defense. Teams may use a man-to-man or zone defense strategies. Defensive fouls can occur through illegal contact like blocking or hand-checking. Possession and turnovers. Possession changes due to the missed shots, steals, or turnovers like traveling and backcourt violation. Jump ball or alternating possession. Jump ball and alternating possession. After the initial jump ball, possession alternates between teams for held ball situations, FIBA or NCAA rules. End of the game and overtime. The game ends when the time runs out and the team with the most points wins. If tied, the game proceeds to overtime, lasting 5 minutes, and each period until a winner is decided. Fouls and penalties. Team fouls. Team enter the bonus after a certain numbers of fouls, giving opponents free throws. Flagrant fouls. Excessive or violent contact leads to a severe penalties and potential ejection. Disqualification. Players foul out after a certain number of personal fouls, usually 5 or 6.